So how are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking.
Okay, so this is our first session. So would you like to give your short introduction so that I can know you?
Okay. So my name is Sita. I'm from UP. By profession, I am a teacher, and I have done my graduation in science. And if you talk about my hobby is listening songs and teaching and cooking. That's all about me.
Okay, and where are you from?
I'm
Sorry?
UP, Uttar Pradesh.
You. Oh, okay, okay, got it. Okay, now it's my turn. My name is Tanuja and I'm from Bhopal city. It is in MP state. And currently I'm a working professional in one of the IT company. And simultaneously I'm running my YouTube also for past 2.5 years. And about my hobbies, I love drawing, dancing, and traveling. That's all about me.
Ah, great. Glad you have done it.
Okay, so you mentioned that you are teaching. So may I know which subject?
Yeah, actually, I used to teach before 1 year
Okay,
uh, English and math subject.
English and maths.
Yeah,
Okay.
but right now I'm not teaching because I have a small baby, 4 months old.
Mhm.
So for 1 year I'm not going to school.
Okay, so before that you were teaching in a school.
Yes, yes,
Okay, so which one is your favorite subject, English or maths?
math.
Maths. Okay. Yeah, in school or college days, maths was my favorite subject also. Because I loved mathematics a lot during my college or school days, and I used to give coachings also for mathematics subject. So
Yeah, I also used to give when I doing my graduation. That time I
okay, so do you have any further plan, like when your baby will grown up, so you will continue your profession?
yes, yes. Actually, I have done diploma BTC and I cleared TET and CTET exam as well. And
Mhm.
yeah, I nowadays I'm waiting for government notification. That's why I'm preparing for teacher exam. Yeah, but when my baby grown up in future, then I will join in any private school. But yeah, I will give that exam also for
Okay,
government teacher.
government teacher. Oh, that sounds great. And what about your English journey? Like, how did you think that you should learn English language, and who motivated you?
Yeah, actually, yes. I mentioned you before that in future I will go in any private school. So that's why I'm learning because you can understood how much English is necessary nowadays in private school as well as in any area. If you know English well, then you can become success in any area. So yeah, I that's why I'm learning and I have two kids also and I want to my kids become a fluent speaker in future. That's why I'm learning for them.
Yes, yes, absolutely right. Because now it's very necessary in every sector, not only for that one sector, but yeah, as you mentioned, that it is very important in every sector. So if you know English well, so you can survive in any sector.
Yes, yes.
Yes, you are right. Okay, so like, what kind of challenges you are facing while talking in English?
Yeah, actually I have been learning before 1 month only, so
Okay.
I'm not uh, too much fluent and I have no too much vocabulary, but yeah, learning and trying. I'm trying
Yeah,
my
it's
best.
a gradual process, I can say. As you mentioned that you are just learning for 1 month, so it will take time. So we can't say that 1 month or 2 months we can become fluent. Even you won't believe I'm talking or doing this kind of practice for very long time. I think it's more than 1 years now. But still, I feel that I'm not advanced speaker. Still, I have to work more and more so that I can become fluent in this language.
Yeah, yeah. I have been learning before 1 year, but I was not continue due to some problem in my family and my procrastinating habit. But before 1 month, I am continue.
Mm. Okay, okay, that's great.
Before one month, I was not able to come on video call. I was talking someone on audio call, and he is a YouTuber. He suggested me that you have to take video call. I will join you on Skype group. You download. I will join you. Then I downloaded, and he joined me on this group. Uh, that name is English Gaon Wala on YouTube. His channel is English Gaon Wala, and his name is Sukul type. Uh, yeah, I forgotten, but his name is I think Sukul.
Oh, okay. So yeah, definitely it's a good application and a group also, because how we can remove our shyness and hesitation if you
Yes,
are not speaking in front of people. So because audio call is something that we can easily do with
yes,
we will not hesitate that much, and we can take a pause and we can speak, and we don't need to give any facial expression and anything, so we can speak easily. But when
yes,
it comes to video call, so it is totally different. Yeah.
yes. Recently, I have taken more audio call, but when I come to take a video call, that time my body is shaking. Should I take not? Should I take or not? But yeah, I agree with myself, and I take call. That time I was not able to speak on video call, but yeah, I'm learning. I will go. So I speak.
Yeah, it happens in the initial calls. Even I was very nervous when it was my first call. So, I was hesitating a lot, and my heartbeat was like beating very fast. What I will say. But yeah, gradually I learned these things, and now I'm comfortable that I can talk with anyone, any random people. So
Yeah.
yeah, over time I learned this thing. So just because of consistent practice. So
Yes.
definitely, if person do this kind of practice regularly, so they can improve.
Yes, seeing them means hearing this type of comment means what you are saying. I watching means I watch video this type of video conversational video on YouTube. That time when I hear this type of things means I was not able to speak, but I'm here. That time I get motivated. Yeah, if she's doing, I will also do. Then
Definitely.
yeah, I get myself motivated.
Yeah, because I have also heard this kind of story from many good learners, like good speakers, when they say that in their initial time they was like same. So
Yes,
with
yes,
that time we don't believe that literally they now they are speaking so well. So how? Because they are very consistent with their practice, and they are doing efforts every day. That's why they are here. And for
yes.
us also, if we will do practice every day and we will put all our efforts, so yeah, definitely not everything is quite difficult, as it's only our mentality that we make it very complicated.
Yeah, first when I listen those comments means I was not nothing in my initial day. Yeah, I was thinking that they are telling lie. I think, but he is speaking very good English. I think she is telling lie. But when I listen, many people say like this means they are saying like this that I was not able to. Even I don't know how even a grammar rule, but they are speaking very well. Then yeah, I was thinking that if they are speak uh, they are speaking so good English, even they are not know means means tense and simple sentences they do not know, even they are speaking, then we are also can do.
Exactly. Yeah. Okay, so may I know in which area you are living? Is it a village area or a city area?
Yeah, this is city area, but I'm a stone's throw distance away from city.
Okay, it is more likely like village area.
No, I'm living out of my village.
Okay, okay. So how was your experience and now? Like what are the uh, like comparison when you
Now,
shifted here?
yes, yes. Now we are shifted here. There is so many distance from my farm. Nowadays, my husband and my father-in-law are go to in field, but I do not go.
Okay.
Mm.
Hmm. So is it the area is it kind of hustle and bustle in your place or like quiet area?
Yes, yes.
It's quiet area.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Okay, so do you have any question or something so you can ask?
Yeah, suggest me a great way how to become fluent.
I think everyone is already aware, and everyone's strategy is totally different because we can say that what I feel like to do, some people don't like. So it happens a lot. So if I'll talk about me, so I usually do only two things like speaking practice. So every alternate days or sometimes every day, I do only one conversation, and I just try to listen this conversation very carefully after the session so that I can point out my mistakes where I'm lacking, and if I feel that something is missing here or if I'm saying anything wrong, so I try to search on Google or sometimes any AI tools so that I can correct myself. And the listening practice I do every day, like any kind of stories, English stories that I listen, bedtime story you can say. So I listen that story and I try to narrate by myself whenever I get time. So these two things I'm doing it regularly. So I think it's very helpful for me. So you can also do the same thing.
Yeah, I will do. I will try to do.
Yeah. Okay. So anything else?
No, I have no any time because I have not so more experience. You can understand. I am beginner. That's why I have no so experience how to put the questions, how to ask, how to discuss any topic. Yeah.
I can understand. It happens in the initial days because we don't have enough question that we can ask to other people. So, but the great communication when you will also interact and you will also put your question also. So that would be the great way because we can't do every time speaking and speaking and not the other person can do only listening. So it's a two-way communication.
Yes.
So we can ask any random things like any hobbies or anything related to whatever comes in your mind, just ask. That's it. So I do the same thing. Whatever comes in my mind, so I just try to ask anything, any random question. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Tell me your opinion. What is difference between mm, knowledge and degree?
Knowledge and degree. I think it's a very good question. So, to be honest, I would say that both are equally important because we can't say that yes, knowledge is very important. Everyone knows. If you are doing any degree, but if you are not gaining any knowledge, so it's a wastage. Like if you get your degree, but you don't have any knowledge regarding your subjects or regarding your academics, so it's a wastage of your money and also your degree. But if you are gaining knowledge from somewhere and if you have done your degree very carefully, like in the proper manner, and you have gained some knowledge, so it's a good point for you, good thing for you. And I can say that degree is also important because what happens, like like we have so many people in the in the country. So if you do anything for any exam, if you are going for any exam, or if you are trying to get admission in anywhere, any institute, so what will happen, so we can't judge everyone by their knowledge or something. So we have to eliminate some people, we have 100 people, so we can't give the chance to all 100 people. So we can decide something like if you have this kind of degree, so like we can eliminate some people so they can apply, like 50% of people can apply. So yeah, both are equally important according to me.
Yes, yes.
But yeah, always give preference to your knowledge, whether you are taking any degree or if you are not taking any degree. but you have great knowledge. So what happens, we are not able to showcase those knowledge if we don't have any certificates or any degree. Like how can I present my knowledge to you?
Yes,
So
yes.
that's
Yeah,
why we need.
yeah. If you talking with someone, if you told him that I have done this, then he already understood that what quality you have. Yeah.
Yeah.
You cannot show your knowledge in a short time. That's why
Hmm.
knowledge and degree both are necessary.
Yeah,
I
right.
opinion. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. But yeah, some like in our India, we can say somewhere it is like some institute, or we can say in some university, people are just getting degree, and some people getting degree just by paying the money also. It happens. So we they don't have proper knowledge, but they have degree. So they will show you that yes, I have this degree, but they don't have proper knowledge of that degree. So it happens. So that's
Yeah.
why some people say like yes, knowledge is very important as compared to degree. So
Yes, if you talk about only knowledge, then knowledge is very necessary because if you have knowledge, you can become success in any area. Even you have the degree, but you have no knowledge. After getting your job, you can restricted means you will restricted in future if you have no knowledge.
hmm.
According, yeah.
Yes,
So
yes, right.
uh, in this way, then knowledge is more better than degree.
Even we can say in some of the area, like the people who become prime minister and chief minister, they don't have proper degree, maybe, but they are they are running whole in a whole country because they have knowledge.
They have idea, they have knowledge.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, I think we can wrap up. I have a meeting also. Okay. Thank you so much for your time and have a great day.
Thank you, thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.